Hi, my name's Tim. I'm with Tubeline Manufacturing. I'm one of the engineers on the team. We're here to discuss the BF8000. It's our newest bale feeder to hit the market. And we're going to discuss tightening the chain tension or loosening it on the conveyor. It's a very simple process. You just take the nuts, loosen them on the 4-bolt flange bearing. Then you simply want to loosen off the lock nut, and then you either tighten or loosen your chain, whatever you need. You don't want your chain to be too tight where it's making a lot of squealing noises. You don't want it to be too loose either where it's coming off the sprocket at the end or your paddles and slats are catching. So when you get it to the proper spot that you want it at, make sure you tighten the lock nut back down. Tighten all 4 of the nuts on the flange bearing. And then it's important to make sure that you've adjusted both sides equally. You want your shaft to be straight across. How you do that, you just simply measure between your fixed plate and your bearing mount plate and make sure it's the same on the other side. Other than that, that's it. If you have any more questions, contact us at our office or reach out to us on tubeline.ca.